Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the features that make Nearby Share work. Open settings to toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. These handle discovery and transfer speed. Once done, enable Nearby Share in Google or Samsung settings and choose a visibility option, Everyone, Contacts, or Hidden, so your phone can be found. Make sure location permission is granted because discovery relies on it. These steps get the phones talking. Now you're ready to pick the file and begin the share. You pick the content next, a photo, document, or link. Open the app, tap Share, and select Nearby Share as the method. When your phone scans, look for the receiver's device name and tap it. This initiates a handshake. The other person must accept the incoming request. Explain why so they know it's safe. Once accepted, you'll see a progress indicator. Transfers use Wi-Fi direct or Bluetooth, automatically choosing the fastest secure channel. Wait until it confirms complete before closing apps. You finish by confirming the file arrived intact in the recipient's files or gallery app, and then clear any pending notifications. If the transfer stalls, first toggle Bluetooth or Wi-Fi off and on, then retry. This resolves most discovery hiccups. If problems persist, set Nearby Share visibility to everyone briefly or restart both devices to refresh connections. As a last step, reset network settings only if transfers consistently fail. That clears corrupt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.